Okay, so here we are on the bottom here. You see between the front tires we just have some basic ramps to prop it up a little bit. We have the oil pan on the bottom of the engine. There's a screw right here. You just want to position some type of container and remove that screw. Give it some time. It comes out obviously quick at first, and then it goes to a slow trickle for a while. Give that time to empty, clean off the surface and the nut, put that back on. Then you want to remove the oil filter. Now the oil filter does have, there is quite a bit of oil trapped above it, so you're going to want to loosen it with the container below it and allow it time to drain before you take it off completely. So this is Fairham high mileage. We're over 100,000 miles on this van, and it's the HM3614. Put a little bit of oil around the seal on the new one. Put it in place. It recommends that you go 3/4 to 1 turn after the rubber meets. So we just had the rubber meet. We're going to give it 1 good turn there. Should be good to go.